Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Next topic I am going to explain congruency of triangles. We have four types of rules. Okay, criterias we can call criterias. In that four, one of that side congruency. Okay, side congruency we can call short name as triple rule. We can call triple criteria. What is this criteria? What is the definition? Okay, once you see in your textbook it is given definition directly, so that here only I am explaining. SSC criteria for congruency of triangles: if three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the triangle are congruent. Okay, what you can understand from this definition? Very simple. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent, we can say. See the example, you can understand easily. Suppose two triangles you can take PQR and XYZ. In these corresponding sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle. See, PQ side, this side is equal to this XY side, means PQ is equal to XY. Okay, next to QR is equals to YZ. Okay, next to PR is equal to ZX or XZ. Okay, these three sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding three sides of other triangle. Then we can say these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, PQR is congruent to XYZ. Okay, this based on the side criteria. How we can say, if any two triangles if you observe the corresponding sides are equal in that both triangles, then we can say those two triangles are incongruent. Okay, now based on this criteria you have exercise 1 sums. Once see, look at the first question. Decide whether the triplets congruency is true with the following figures. Give reason. Okay, once see here, triangle BEN, triangle ARC. Okay, now see, single line indicates those are equal sides. Okay, now NB is equal to RC and AC is equals to BE and AR is equal to NE. Okay, three sides are corresponding sides are equal, so we can say this triangle NBE is congruent to triangle ACR or ARC. Okay, this is true. It is. Next, see here in these triangles, let us take triangle here 2.5, here 3, here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter given. Up triangle and down triangle if you take, we can take LAD one triangle and DSL if you take. Otherwise DLA common side, this is for these two triangles. DLA LDS means this side is common for two triangles and next side also equal. Next third side it is not equal, so these two triangles are not congruent. We can say these two triangles are not congruent triangles. Why? Because only two sides are equal, remaining third side is not equal. 2.5 is there, here 3 is there, so different length. Based on that reason we are saying these are not congruent. Next, second question. For the following congruent triangles, find the pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles we should write. Very simple. Here triangle PQT, triangle QRS. Okay, pair of corresponding angles we need to find out. Okay, angle PQT PQT, this is one angle, and which is equal to the triangle RQS, this triangle. Okay, corresponding angles we should take. Next to angle TQR, angle TQR, angle TQP, not R, angle TQP, and angle SQR. Okay, and you can take PTQ, angle RSQ, angle TPQ, angle SRQ. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent. These already given in the question, just we should write corresponding pair of angles. Here in this we can say these two triangles whether congruent or not, and you can write the pair of corresponding angles. See, this angle is equal to this angle, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, here also 4 centimeter, here 5 centimeters. So these are, so simply we can write angle Q is equal to angle Q. Okay, next angle P is equal to angle S, angle Q is equal to angle R, we can say corresponding pair of angles. Okay, here only I am writing angle O is equals to angle Q, angle P is equal to, okay, sorry, angle P is equals to angle R, angle P is equals to angle R. Next angle Q is equal to angle S, angle O is equal to angle O, common angle. Okay, corresponding pair of angles. Next in adjacent figure choose the correct answer. See in this is the correct answer. Why? Because PQR, PQR, PQR. Okay, this side next to this side means this is a common side. Next QPS, QPS. See, common side, after that 3.5 side is coming, common side, after that 3.5 side is coming. So this side corresponding sides are equal. So these two triangles are congruent. This is the correct one. Okay, next fourth one. Given that side AB is equal to DC, side AC is equal to DB. Okay, here once check it. AB is equal to DC and AC is equal to DB, and we should write angle B is equals to angle C, angle B is equal to angle C. So here side angle, based on this SAS we can say that these two triangles are congruent. I hope you understood. Thank you. This full exercise completed.